Guess what? We're still at the Getty. Okay, we're still using the same pen. Let's make this guy looking up at these guys. There we go. So we're gonna go here, across, same lay-in, same formula. Now, because he's looking up, the ears are going to be low. Some of the song, I don't know if your parents ever sang it to you when you were a kid. Does your ears hang low? Does your ears hang low? So going up, like that. Like a roller coaster. And because I have this little shorthand in there, I can go right to finish. It's not a problem. Now, I think one thing that's really important is I have to remember is that when you're at the Getty, you're at a museum, or you're looking at a master book, you're not doing a portrait. I was on a vacation once, and this person announced the guy on the stage. I'd drawn him. The guitarist, the singer, and he announced everybody. We have the guy Sheldon here, and he draws really fast. And because he came over and I had done a drawing of him, so I gave it to him. And this woman sitting next to me, she goes, "I wanted the drawing that Sheldon did of my husband." And I said, "Oh, let me see if I have it in my sketchbook." When I looked at it, showed it to her. It wasn't her husband. It resembled him, but it wasn't. It wasn't like this portrait. I said, "Well, it's not a portrait. It's just using your husband as a guide because he had an interesting face and an interesting beard. If you're doing a portrait, that's a whole different world because not only do you have to draw accurately, but you have to draw what they think they look like." Or here, as long as he's going back, I'm happy. He's looking up because I'm studying. Give it a scarf. Now this drawing here needs to work with this, so you can go like that. This is a little escalator. And then this can go with that. So that's like, you know, doing a Renaissance painting where they flow like that. Okay. With it. We're at the Getty. Okay. Which is be kind of weird. In a year, this will be the Getty right here because they're going to be, you know, redoing stuff there. Hopefully I'll be able to go into the library and I'll keep bringing you more stuff from the library to look at. But wow, this is my cruise ship, you know, this is my place. Okay, let's keep going. Let's have some fun. We'll move on to something new. Okay.